Okay, this is the last question I'm going to discuss here. It is very important. It's mostly asking question. Okay, so let us start with that one. Here it is from your NCERT book itself. So question is given here. What's given here? You can see spiral is given, right? In this spiral you can see again here I'm taking, yeah. You can see that what's given here. Spiral it is given whose length L1, L2, L3 is increasing, isn't it? L1, L2 it is more than L1. You can see all these are of the shape of semicircles. Each one it is in the form of a semicircle. So that means A to B is the radius of the smallest spiral, yeah, semicircle's radius. The same we can see here, isn't it? Second one's radius, it is which one? It is here, it is, we can see this one here. Which one we can say? Hmm? Which one we can say? This one, radius, correct? B to this point. Then L2. L3, L3 again, A is the center and this is the radius, correct? Like it is increasing. Understood? So it is this, yeah, let us take that one. It's given here radii of the first one. It is 0.5 centimeter and then 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and so on. It's gone, isn't it? So it is given also A and B. It is alternately changing the center. So that's why we taken for the first one this is the radius and for the second one this is the radius and third one again A to this one it is the radius. For the fifth one again we can see B to this one is the radius. So how we can form the AP? Great. Length of asking to find out the total length, then what should be we have to calculate? Length of each one and plus all these, correct? So L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4, all these. So what L1 it is? The length of this spiral from this one, that is which is the shape of this one. So we can see the shape of this one, it is, yeah, definitely we can see it is semicircle. Semicircle's circumference. We know the circumference of the semicircle. Say circumference of the semicircle. Circumference of semicircle I'm asking. Circumference of circle we know that C which is equal to, yeah, C which is equal to 2 pi r, right? So semicircle means divided by 2. Circumference of semicircle, correct? Semicircle we can say, yeah, semicircle which is equal to half of that one means pi r, pi into r. So pi into r1 we can write that, yeah, each one of this we can write here pi into hmm, pi into what happened? See it. We can write here pi into, first of all we can write that we can write the terms, isn't it? First one we will get pi into R1, second term become pi into R2, all these are different, pi into R3 and so on, so on, so on going on. So pi into R1 is given here 0.5, so we can write 0.5 pi and then 1 pi, then comes 1.5 pi and so on, it's going on, is it? So A, if we can take first term, that means L1, we can see that L1, correct, which is equal to 0.5 pi. A2, that means A1 it is here, A2 it is nothing but L2, that we got it as 1 pi. So D we can calculate here, D is equal to, yeah, 1 pi minus 0.5 pi, that means half pi, yeah, 0.5 pi we are getting, is it? So we can write here 0.5 pi, understood or not this part? Yeah. D we got, A we got, but we have to calculate a total length of this one. N it is given here. Is it given N? Yes, given here. Look here, 13. It's given here 13 consecutive semicircles, is it? So here N is also given. N it is given here 13. So we can calculate the total length of that one. That is nothing but what? Sn, is it? So S13 we can written as, yeah, Sn formula. Sn formula we can write here. I'm just cleaning. Yeah, S13 we need to calculate, right? So Sn formula we can write n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t, isn't it? So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into a 0.5 pi and plus n minus 1 become 12 into d also we got 0.5 pi. So product of this one, 13 by 2 into 2 into 0.5. Here 0.5 it's nothing but 1 by 2. So asking 1 by 2 into 2 into pi. How much it is? It's 1 pi. Is it? 1 pi. Is it? Yeah, here 0.5. 5 into 2 is 10. Therefore 0.5 it is only 1.0. Correct? The same here 12 into, yeah, 12 into 5. Here also we can write 12 into 1 by 2. So become 6. Is it? 6 pi. Understood or not? Okay, 13 by 2 into 7 pi. So 13 into 7, 13 into 7. So we can write here 13 by 2 into 7 into pi value it is given there 22 by 7. So 7 divided by 7, 1. 2 divided by 22 divided by 2 is 11. So 11 into 13, 13, 11. So how much it is? 13 into 3, 3. Then 13 into 11 into 3, 33. 143. Yeah, 143 here. 143 centimeter. Where yeah, their unit it is given, should put the unit. That's all. So complete this one. So you understood all these well. Okay, if you are any doubt in from NCRT or any question paper or Atishamma, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, before the exam, you make it clear and go for the exam with confidence. Okay, all the best.